The New York Times, as cited by the Times of Israel on August 5, reported that Iranian officials claim Russia has started delivering advanced air defense and radar systems to Iran, following Tehran's request to the Kremlin. Local Iranian media have corroborated Tehran's request, and two officials, including a member of Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps, have confirmed to the Times that these deliveries are underway. According to these Iranian sources, the equipment in question is likely the Russian S-400 anti-aircraft missile system, crafted by the Almaz-Antey concern. The Times article did not specify the exact equipment requested by Iran, or what has been delivered so far. Iran does already possess Russian S-300 air defense systems, although Russia has since developed the more advanced S-400 system. Reportedly, on August 2, a Russian transport aircraft was observed landing at Tehran International Airport. The aircraft in question was an Il-76TD operated by Gelix Airlines, which is known for being used by Moscow for military deliveries under the guise of a civilian carrier, lacking any military insignia. It's plausible that this flight marked the first delivery of the S-400 systems, despite lacking independent confirmation. Cannot verify from an independent source that this particular transport on August 2 pertained to the delivery of anti-aircraft systems to Iran. One of the key differences between the two systems is their range. The S-300 has a maximum range of approximately 150 to 200 kilometers, depending on the variant. In contrast, the S-400 can engage targets at distances of up to 400 kilometers, making it a more formidable defense system. Another significant difference lies in the missile types used by each system. The S-300 typically employs the 5V55 and 48N6 series of missiles, which are effective against a variety of aerial threats. The S-400, however, uses a more diverse array of missiles, including the 48N6, 9M96, and the long-range 40N6 missiles. This versatility allows the S-400 to engage multiple types of targets simultaneously and at different ranges. The radar and sensor technology in the S-400 is also more advanced compared to the S-300. The S-400's radar systems can detect and track targets at greater distances and with higher accuracy. This improved detection capability enhances the overall effectiveness of the system, allowing it to respond more quickly and efficiently to incoming threats. In terms of deployment, the S-400 is designed to be more mobile and flexible than the S-300. It can be rapidly deployed and redeployed, making it suitable for a variety of operational scenarios. This mobility is a significant advantage in modern warfare, where the ability to quickly adapt to changing conditions is crucial.